The Bogleheads Guide to Investing is a comprehensive and accessible guide to personal finance and investing, authored by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LeBoeuf. This book is inspired by the investment philosophy of John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group and a pioneer in low-cost index investing. The Bogleheads, a community of individual investors who follow Bogle's principles, provide a step-by-step approach to achieving financial success through investing. The book is divided into several chapters, each addressing different aspects of investing and financial planning. Here's a summary of the key themes and takeaways from each section. 1. Introduction to Boglehead Investing. The book introduces the Boglehead philosophy, emphasizing the importance of simplicity, low-cost investing, and long-term thinking. 2. Getting Started covers the basics of setting financial goals, creating a budget, and understanding the power of compound interest. 3. Developing a sound investment strategy explains the principles of asset allocation, diversification, and the importance of having a well-balanced portfolio. 4. Investment Options discusses various investment options, including stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents, along with the advantages and disadvantages of each. 5. Taxes explores strategies for minimizing taxes on investments and provides insights into tax-efficient investing. 6. Retirement Accounts details the benefits of retirement accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, and offers guidance on how to maximize their potential. 7. How much do you need to save? Helps readers calculate their retirement savings goals and provides tips on saving more effectively. 8. Selecting Funds and Asset Classes offers practical advice on selecting mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles, with an emphasis on low expense ratios. 9. Asset Allocation delves deeper into the concept of asset allocation, explaining how to determine the right mix of assets based on individual goals and risk tolerance. 10. Implementing Your Investment Strategy provides a step-by-step guide to putting your investment plan into action, including how to rebalance your portfolio. 11. Maintaining Your Portfolio offers guidance on monitoring and adjusting your investment portfolio as your goals and circumstances change over time. 12. Investment Myths debunks common myths and misconceptions about investing, helping readers avoid costly mistakes. 13. Behavioral Pitfalls discusses the psychological aspects of investing and offers strategies to overcome common behavioral biases that can negatively impact investment decisions. 14. Planning for Major Expenses addresses strategies for saving and investing for major life expenses, such as buying a home, funding education, and dealing with healthcare costs. 15. Managing a Windfall advises on how to handle unexpected financial windfalls, such as inheritances or bonuses, to secure long-term financial stability. 16. Estate Planning covers the basics of estate planning, including wills, trusts, and beneficiary designations, to ensure the orderly transfer of assets to heirs. 17. Summary provides a concise recap of the key principles and takeaways from the book. Throughout the book, the authors emphasize the importance of low-cost, passive index investing. As championed by John Bogle, they advocate for broad diversification, using low-cost index funds and ETFs, and avoiding unnecessary fees and expenses. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing is written in a clear, straightforward style that makes complex financial concepts accessible to readers of all levels of experience. It is a valuable resource for anyone looking to take control of their financial future and build wealth through sound investment practices.